Hello everyone, my name is Fateh and welcome back to my channel. So, we have been hearing a lot about agile and different ways of working and different frameworks and those things, right? But if you really think in like, are people really agile, right? Be it any industry, what you take, especially if you take in product development or product engineering or whatever might be, right? So I think still it follows a waterfall method where people are actually in the name of agile of still following the waterfall. For an example, like they would say that okay, that let's get the requirements up, let's work it around all those things, but still it follows one sequential step after other. The real agile is where it's very adaptable, right? Whenever you get requirements, you change it, you iterate it, and obviously delivery is at expense. So iteration will actually work in larger terms, right? And when I say iterations, it doesn't mean that we change everything, but we try to observe whether this is working software or not, whether this is actually working in terms of documentation or extensive periphery that is also required. But extensive periphery is I think an added and not a value add to actually the product, right? So real agile is when you really incorporate the aspects of this. For example, if there are tweaks and changes to UI or UI components, or there are tweaks and changes to different aspects to this, that is when the real agile will come into picture, right? Otherwise it is still in the guise of the waterfall method where one sequential step follows the other. And one more thing wanted to add, right? So we have a lot of frameworks and those things, but are they value adding to the customer? What is the actual thing coming out? What does people actually want, right? Write in comment box and let me know.